do a little sort and see how well we know what a plant is, okay? So, I have right here, this says plant, and it's got a picture of a tree. So we're gonna have our plant right here, and then I have not a plant, and that's gonna go on this side, right over here. I'm gonna show you guys a variety of different pictures, and I want you guys to pause the video and see if the kiddos can figure out what is a plant and what's not a plant. And you can help them by labeling what we have and then seeing if it's a plant or not a plant. And we'll think about, do they have any of these things that we talked about that makes it a plant? Is it a living thing? Does it grow? Does it have leaves or flowers? Does it need sun and water? Okay, so just go ahead and pause it after I show each picture and you can work with the kids. So the first thing we have is a kite. Is a kite a plant or not a plant? That's right, it's not a plant. It is not a living thing. It does not grow. It does not need leaves or flowers, and it does not need sun and water. So we're gonna put it over here. It is not a plant. Grass. Is grass a plant or not a plant? Let's think. Grass is a living thing. Grass grows. Grass has leaves or flowers, and grass needs sun and water. So grass is a plant. Next we have a bee. Is a bee a living thing? Okay, it's a living thing. Does a bee grow? A bee grows. Does a bee have leaves or flowers? No. Does not have leaves or flowers, so is a bee a plant? No, a bee is not a plant. A bee is an animal or an insect. A watering can. Is a watering can a living thing? No. Does a watering can grow bigger and bigger? No. Does a watering can have leaves or flowers? No. Maybe a picture. Does a watering can need sun and water? No. Is a watering can a plant or not a plant? It's not a plant. Leaves. Are leaves a plant or not a plant? Let's look. Are leaves living things? Yes. Do leaves grow? Yes, we're watching them grow outside in the spring. Are leaves leaves or flowers? Yeah. And do leaves need sun and water? Yes. So are leaves a plant or not a plant? That's right, a plant. A nail. Is a nail a plant or not a plant? Is a nail a living thing? No. Does a nail grow? No. Does a nail have leaves or flowers? No. Does a nail need sun and water? No. So is a nail a plant or not a plant? It's not a plant. flowers. Are flowers a plant or not a plant? Are flowers living things? Yes, they are. They're alive. Do flowers grow? Yes, they do, just like in our picture. Do flowers have leaves or flowers? And do flowers need sun and water? So are flowers a plant or not a plant? That's right, flowers are a plant. This one's a little tricky. A seed. Is a seed a living thing? It is. Does a seed grow? Yes, it does. Right there is our seed. It grows. Does a seed have leaves or flowers? Well, once it grows, it will. And does a seed need sun and water? Yes, a seed does need sun and water. So is a seed a plant or not a plant? A seed is a plant. A seed is a baby plant. This is a bush. Is a bush a plant or not a plant? Is a bush a living thing? Does a bush grow? Does a bush have leaves or flowers? Does a bush need sun and water? So is a bush a plant or not a plant? Good, it's a plant. Umbrella. Is an umbrella a plant or not a plant? Is an umbrella a living thing? No. Does an umbrella grow? No. Does an umbrella have leaves or flowers? No. Does an umbrella need sun and water? No. Is an umbrella a plant or not a plant? Not a plant. A tree. Is a tree a plant or not a plant? Is a tree a living thing? Yes. Does a tree grow? Yes. Does a tree have leaves or flowers? Yeah. Does a tree need sun and water? Yes, it does. So is a tree a plant or not a plant? Good. A tree is a plant. A ball. Is a ball a plant or not a plant? Is a ball a living thing? Does a ball grow? Does a ball have leaves or flowers? No. Does a ball need sun and water? No. So is a ball a plant or not a plant? Not a plant. Very good job.